What's up, beautiful people? Let me give you a little shop update. What I got going on right now? I got a whole lot of stuff going on right now. So let me first move my son's. Let me turn this around. My son has about as many cars in here as I do now. He's got like 6 or 7. I think I have 9. So I got to move his cars out the way. To show you what I got going on. So, first and foremost, I gotta drain my radiator, really drain my engine because it's blowing all this nasty brown water on everything because it's overheating. So I'll get to that. But this is the more pressing issue. So, as you can see, there's nothing here. Nothing here. I've been driving around like the last 2 years with no inner fender wells and ratchet strapping my battery to the frame and against the radiator and kind of wedging in here with like 3 ratchet straps and like 2 bungees. So that ends today because I went and got inner fender wells, both sides. Went down to Biscay's, my boy Jeff down there, Biscay's hooked me up. Inner fender wells. And I got a battery tray. Check that out. Yeah, real fancy. Oh, also got some 69 Mustang taillights because mine are crunch. Like these are cool, you know, driver quality, I guess, but they match the look of the car. Let me show you real quick. Right, so here's my 69 Mach 1. See how horrible these taillights are. Got a hole right there. Trim ring missing because it won't fit on there anymore, and I got a huge hole right there. So, like I said, the ones are driver quality. They're better than the ones I have, and they're only 25 bucks for the pair. So that's cool. Also, I'm also happy because I picked up this trim right here. So this is the trim for a Malibu, a 70 Malibu. When it's all said and done, it won't have that trim on it because I'm going to do an SS clone. I know, but that's what I want. But I've been riding around with just holes and an empty IOU where the trim goes. So that ends today also. So I'm glad about that. They're basically free. Shout out to my boy Chris. Thank you. What else? Okay, so I got those display cabinets there. I got these display cabinets here because as you can, I don't know if you noticed, like, I love die cast and it's slowly ruining my life. So what I'm doing is, and I love muscle machines. They're my favorite die cast. I love the 18 scale. So what I'm doing is taking all of these and all of these and all of these and putting them inside of the display cases, which means I need to move some stuff around because the shop is not big enough for all of us to coexist. So I'm going to put one display cabinet here, one on the other side, and then move this over. Take the Hellcat swap from here, move that over here somewhere. That 390 needs to go in there, but I can't put it in there just yet because I stripped out the, why aren't you focusing? Come on, there we go. I stripped out the, well, I didn't strip them out. They all broke off. The head bolts, so they're all stuck in there. I gotta chase and drill that stuff out to get those out of the housing so I can pull the thermostat out and put the stock one on it. So got to do that, move out the way, get stuff moved around so I kind of get some more space in this joint. So that's where we're at right now. Yeah, also, funny thing is, I actually got fired from my job the other day, this week. So I'm doing this full time now. Kind of crazy. So make sure you watch the videos and send them to your friends and give a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Because my life depends on it. Something like that. So yeah, that's where we're at. Let's get busy. I'm gonna drive my Chevelle without having a ratchet strap my damn battery in it anymore. I can't believe how long I drove like that. But it worked, and it's still working, but I got that now, so let's get a little safer. And that's it. The funny thing is I always gotta push the Chevelle out. I always gotta push it out before I start it, so I don't know what's the word, asphyxiate? Whatever it means from carbon dioxide poisoning. So let's go ahead and push it out first. Then I'm actually gonna do all the stuff outside because I gotta move stuff inside. And yeah. Oh, my little man broke my G.I. Joe. Look at this. This G.I. Joe survived, like, I don't know, I don't even know what year this is from. It's like from the 80s, I think it is. Survived all these years and died at the hands of Zaya. Ripped his leg off. Gotta love him. I messed up because dude has his hands up, so he clearly surrendered to the Godzilla Zaya, and there was no match for it, so RIP. I fixed him. Yay. All right, let's get to work. As I gracefully climb in. All right. So that. Oh no. Okay, this is going horribly wrong. Oh, I'm still molding. All right, here we go. Gotta get a little momentum going. There we go. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's try not to hit the Bel Air. Oh no, third. Abort ship. Oh crap. All right, well, I'm halfway out. Really? It looks like I'm about to be changing stuff outside right here because the Bel Air didn't let me go any further. But that's fine. Now I got somewhere to mount my phone for this time lapse. Look who's here to help his old man at the shop. He didn't want to sit in the house with the old folks anymore. I feel it. All right, so I'm gonna get this trim on real quick. I found the bolts for the wheelhouses, so I'll do that afterwards. Are you ready for time lapse? Let's go. Man, it looks so much better with this trim on it now. Even though it's coming off when I paint it. I feel complete. Cool, cool, cool. All right, well, time for the inner fender wells. I think we'll take this back in the shop because mosquitoes is out.
Put your hands up.
You put your hands up, crazy. Oh, hey, don't throw rocks at me. Okay, fast forward a couple of days later. Had some things come up. Didn't get the inner fender wells in. We can do that right now. Get this camera turned around. Okay, nice and tight. Not going anywhere. Let's go. Come on, baby. There we go. No, don't you do it. Don't you do it. All right. side so we don't suffocate. There's gonna be some tight turning here in a second. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Ah! Oh, we good, we good. Belly there, we good, we good. Okay, we out, we out. Got the hips out. All right, let's not smack that car right there. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. You did it. That's right. All right, let's try again. Come on, baby. I know you're cold. Even though it's 87 degrees out. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. All right. Let's get you parked. I must have heat stroke or something because I'm sitting there trying to put on this is the passenger side, the right hand side. I'm sitting there trying to shove in the left hand side, and then I notice there's an L right here, and I'm just like, oh. So yeah, this needs to go over there. It'll never fit like that. All right. All right, so I got it into place. I'm putting in all the bolts and stuff. I definitely recommend you get the plastic inner liner. Some factories had the plastic inner liners. Some had the metal. Some had a plastic and a metal. But the amount of moving and bending and twisting you have to do to get this in here, I definitely need the plastic one, at least for the driver's side. So it's almost in there. Okay, finally done. The passenger side, moment of truth, moment of truth. Oh. All right. Of course, I grabbed a battery bigger than the whole battery tray. Okay, whatever. It's in there. I got a smaller battery, but really? There we go. Good to go, baby. No more ratchet straps. You served your time well. Bye-bye. Success, success, success. Both sides are in. Looking amazing. No more ratchet strapping. My battery down. Now all I need is the fan shroud. I have the top plate for the bigger radiator. But I gotta drill new holes for it to work. I have an air cleaner also. It's looking damn near restored now. Oh, I forgot a bolt right there. Oh, 2 bolts right there. That must mean I'm missing. Yeah, I'm missing on the other side too. Damn it. Well, it's close. Hell, my battery's in. It's all that matters. And trying to get this thing back inside. And there we have it. All done. Back in the shop. Safety first. No more ratchet straps. Time to go get Zaya for some ice cream. We out.